Welcome, guys. We are back again, and this time I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be streaming the way that I'm streaming right now. So sorry, I cannot do it the way that I was doing it before. So I'm gonna be doing it this way. So remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with your friends because today we're gonna talk about what's happening within the market with the German government, and also we have the UK government and US government and El Salvador's government that are buying and selling a lot of Bitcoin. And we are going to get in depth. Previously, today, I posted on my Twitter, I posted a tweet about the bot that I created specially to track these people down. And so that's the main reason why today I'm going to talk about it. So if you guys are seeing what I'm doing, today you guys are going to be watching this video and I'm going to be posting about it. So first of all, if you don't know me, I'm Crypto Profeta. I've been in crypto for more than 10 years already, 11, whatever you want to call it. I don't even care about it anymore. And I talked about crypto, airdrops, Bitcoin, whatever you want to you like, but specifically I love airdrops because I know it's a source of income for a lot of people, and for me it has been a daily job. And I've been doing it for almost since my first airdrop with Uniswap, and since then I have been fascinated and I have to say addictive to airdrops. And yes, it's a very big opportunity for a lot of people that don't have money within crypto, but I made it my job to do it. So first of all, we're gonna talk about the market, then we're gonna go into seeing what the government are doing so we can track down everything they are doing, and also keep in mind we are going to check what they're doing so we can understand the main reason why the market is reacting the way it's reacting, so you guys can get a little bit of understanding how you can manage to take advantage of opportunities like this. So right now, as you guys know, we are also on YouTube, streaming on YouTube. So if you guys are watching me right now, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Crypto Profeta once again. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube, and I will see you guys. At this moment, let me check. Are we live on YouTube? Let me know if we are live on YouTube. Yes, we are live on YouTube also. So that's good. That's amazing. We are live on YouTube. Let me keep on checking. Let me check. So I'm gonna arrange this so we can keep on going with the live stream. So yes, so talking about the government, we are talking about Bitcoin price. We are also talking about airdrops. Two airdrops that I'm gonna share with you guys today is totally for free, and you don't have to spend no money. So we are going to talk about two type of projects, and talking about the price of Bitcoin that's recovering right now at this moment has done approximately about a 21% up from the previous bottom, 9% approximately. So that means that we are up in for something very great now. So a lot of people have been asking me what is my opinion on what's happening in the market and why the market is reacting like this. So came to the conclusion, the main reason why things are reacting like this. The reason why the market has been reacting like this is because people are selling. So the question will be, who is selling? So that will be the question that a lot of us need to ask ourselves so we can understand what's happening in the market. The price goes up is because people are buying. If the price goes down, the people are selling. That's that simple it is, okay? So forget about the news, forget about all the thing around it. When price goes up is because somebody is buying. When price goes down is because somebody is selling. That's it, okay? Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of influencer. You're gonna see a lot of people talking shit about crypto, talking about statistics and blah 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 blah. When price goes down, is because people are selling. When price goes up, because people are buying. That's how simple it is. Okay, and I can prove it to you, and I can show it to you, so you guys can understand the main reason why we are seeing this movement within crypto, and we can go in and I can show you it. Because I created a bot, I created a template that you guys also can use, and link are in the description, and also, or you can come here to this tweet right here. I'm also gonna link it in the description so you guys can follow it and do whatever you want with it. Okay, so the price of Bitcoin is recovering. Why? Because we have the government of Germany is buying back again. So they have been selling for almost 29 days, and they have been buying within 1 week. They have been buying a bunch of Bitcoin, and I can prove it to you guys today. So I'm going to show it to you. So as you guys are seeing, we are seeing a same McDonald pattern. What is the McDonald pattern? The McDonald pattern is repeating himself again, like it did like a couple of months ago. Here you go. We have another McDonald patterns, right? And then from there on, the price has skyrocketed. We also saw another McDonald patterns, right? We have here on this side, we have a bit of support. The price has been touching. We have a reverse McDonald pattern, right? A reverse McDonald pattern. I call it titties. What is here? Some titties, right? And then we have the McDonald patterns, and then once again the McDonald patterns, and then the price goes up. So we have, of course, we had here a lot of confluential price right in this area, and suddenly the price already skyrocket and get out of there. Okay, let me show you guys something very quickly. To be messing around too much with this live streaming stuff, but okay, let's go back to the chart so you guys get a bit of understanding what's happening within the market, so you guys get a vision of what I'm seeing within the market. Okay, so yeah, let's go back in so you guys can see what I'm seeing, and you guys can also check it out. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to the patterns that I'm seeing right here. We have a support level, and we have a couple of resisting in this area back in February 2023. And one thing that caught my attention were these McDonald's pattern, right? They have a different name, but I'm just using the McDonald pattern so you guys can understand it. And from there on, we saw the price skyrocket all up until 13th of March 2024, and then the price start retracement back again to this support area right here below 755 57 57, between 50 60 60 56, between 56,000, and the price retraced back again up to that 73,000. Okay, so what we saw here is the price did a 25 dip. Okay, and if we go back to this all-time high, the price did approximately 22% dip. Okay, so but let's keep in mind what's happening here. Okay, we are seeing a similar reaction to what we are seeing right here. So I'm not saying nothing at this moment, because what I'm seeing is distribution phase right here that just happened, and then we are seeing the price trying to recover back again. So one thing that I know, if the price goes below 35,000, 53,000, we are going to have a problem. But that problem will not be for so long. We will see the price approximately will be around this area right here. Okay, so let's be honest, this is if the price get below 57,000. If the price get that below that range right there, we know we're gonna go for this section right here. But remember, guys, this is not a financial advice. So yeah, but we want to understand what just happened here. So why? Because this price has been dumping very hard. So I tracked this down, And I wanted to show you guys how you can track this down and also know how you can identify, so you can place you can short these position and make money with these shorts. So yeah, what we're going to do, we are going to go to my tweet where I tweeted about it, and here you go. I created a Arkham Intelligent dashboard, and with this Arkham Intelligent dashboard, we can track down, or we can manage to see what these people are doing. Okay, so that's the main reason why I created this this bot in the first place, and that's the main thing that I wanted to share with you guys today. As you guys can see, this is the government alert. So the government alert created by me. You guys can have it. You guys can do whatever you want with it. So as you guys can see, we have a couple of alerts, and this section right here will tell you when they're sending money to Kraken, or they're sending money to exchange, or they're sending money from exchange to their wallet, right? And this is not only the government. This is also, you guys can see, not only the German government, but we also have El Salvador. Let me zoom in. We have El Salvador government are also selling a bit of Bitcoin. And then we have right here something that just came up, and that's Crumble Land, the DRW. Okay, so that means that we have something else to send Crumberland. We want to know what Crumberland is, and that's very easy. We just go in and we can start searching for what's Crumberland. Crumberland has been sending has some Shiba. They have a very not so big portfolio, but they have approximately almost $100 million in asset of crypto. And we can go to the website. Let's check the website to see what it is. So from there on, we can start seeing what's happening and how we can find out what it is. Okay, provide deep dependency liquidity in crypto assets. So we know already that they are managing their position very wisely. Okay, so let me go in because I want to share my whole screen, so I don't have to jump from one page to another. Let me go back in and let me share. Let me share this. And I'm going to share my tab. So right away, you guys can see it. Don't have to worry yourself. Okay. So yes, this is what they are doing right now. What they're doing is very understandable. They are just using some website like this one right here, providing liquidity so they can manage their asset. Right. This looks like I don't want to mention it, but it looks like Alameda back in the day. Okay, it looks like Alameda back in the day. So the government is using protocol like this, provide deep dependable liquidity in crypto asset. At Crumbleland, we provide the liquidity that institutional investors seek to safely and effectively capitalize on opportunities in the crypto asset space. Okay, so right away we know already what this is, and we can already see what they are doing with the money. So if we go back to what I call my dashboard, you guys will see we can manage to track everything down. We can track everything down. We can track and see what's happening in the market and understand, right? For example, like 24 minutes ago, we saw that Kraken deposit Bitcoin in this wallet right here. So that means that they bought some Bitcoin. They bought 380 Bitcoins worth of $21 million. And if we keep on going, we are solid right here within the Kraken deposit. So from there on, they sold 100, and then no, they sold 18, and then kept they sold 10 and kept they sold 20 and kept 380. So they sent that also again to a different wallet. So as you guys are seeing here, 11 hours ago, we are seeing a transaction between Bitstamp and this wallet right here. And these two wallets are the most important wallet, because in this wallet you guys can see that they use this two wallet to make their transactions. So we are seeing approximately about 1,102 Bitcoin worth of Bitcoin. That means it's approximately about 63 million. Let me repeat it again, $63 million worth of Bitcoin. So that's nothing right now. What we're seeing, for example, right here, right? So these people know what they're doing, and they're taking advantage and using the market as a way so they can leverage their position, buy and short the market at their advantage, because they have the power to do it right now. So let me make this clear so you guys can understand. One of the strategy of the government is bringing panic within the crypto community, bringing panic so you guys don't take the advantage and go out and buy or do different stuff within crypto. So that's the thing that they are doing right now. They are taking the possibility, they are taking this money, and what they're doing is they are taking advantage of it. Why? Because they have the capital, they have the power to do it. So they have the power to manipulate the market because they have it. So why? If we go to their portfolio, we know already how much they have. If we click on the government, like for example, I'm gonna keep on adding more stuff to this I'm still gonna add some portfolio, also management here, so you guys can see. So all the links are in the description. I just linked it within the website. I linked it in the bio and everything. You guys can just go and grab it from there. If we go to their portfolio, you guys will see that the government has $1.3 billion worth of crypto, or let's say worth of Bitcoin in their wallet. So that means that it's a lot of money. If they want to manipulate the market, that is what they have been doing all along. I can show it you with a chart. I can show it you with every details, and at what point they have been selling and what point they have been buying, and what does this do with the market. Okay, so by doing this, you guys need to understand that they have the power to manipulate the market. They have the power to shut down a lot of stuff. Why? Because they have the power, they have the money, they have the Bitcoin. And that's the main reason why I have been telling you guys about understanding the simple fact that these people have a lot of power. And by having a lot of power, they will do whatever they think in their advantage to do whatever they want to do with crypto. Okay, so this is the main reason why I've been talking to you guys about seeing what BlackRock is doing, buying a lot of Bitcoin, because they know if they buy a lot of Bitcoin, they have the power to manipulate the market. So that means that they can pump the price whenever they want, they can dump the price whenever they want, and they can shake a lot of people out of the business. They can shake a lot of people out of crypto by just manipulating the market. And that's the main reason why we have been seeing throughout these 10 years, they have been buying Bitcoin, but they did not have been telling us that they have been buying Bitcoin. In the beginning, they have been saying that Bitcoin is bad, Bitcoin is this, Bitcoin has been used for laundering money, but it's not true. They have been using the money. They have been buying Bitcoin, buying farms, Bitcoin farms, just to have a very big portion of the crypto world. Why they're doing this? Because they know that if they can control the supply, if they can control all the Bitcoin that are out there, they can control the market. They can manipulate the market at their advantage and do whatever they want with it. Okay, so that's the main reason why I'm telling you guys, you have to be awake, you have to be open-minded to understand what's happening in crypto. Start following these people that doesn't know what they're talking about. They don't have the proof of what's happening in the market. They just go follow people and say stuff without even doing research. That's the main reason why I created this bot, especially for you guys, so you guys can go in and manage to understand what they are doing. You can manage to see what they are doing. You can manage to see how they are selling, how they are buying, when they are buying, when they're selling. And every time, like for example, I have this Telegram that you guys can see all the transaction coming in, but you don't have to have the Telegram. Just download it. You can just use my link. You can sign up for free. You guys can see right here, it will send you a notification when they are selling or when they are. It's not only them, but if we go down, for example, to this right here, you guys can see all of this transaction that these people have been doing, right? We have been seeing $577,000, 1,577,577. So this gives us a notice that these people are buying up the token. That's that buying up Bitcoin. That's the main reason why Bitcoin is going up in price, right? Can you guys see it? Okay, so manage to wrap your head around this. If you guys seeing this amount of volume going in, if we can take this for example, the 8th of July, if you go 8th of July at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, you guys can see we can go there and we can search for the time. We can search for the time when there are. So I can just click here, for example, I can just click here at the time. Let me manage to fix this. Click here at time. I can go to the 8th. I can go to the time also. Let me check. Take here, apply, and you guys are going to see the amount that we were talking about and what did just move this price that we are seeing right here. At 8 o'clock, we can go back and we can just find that 2 days. Let me change this. Here you go. At 8 o'clock, you can go further. And let's go find that candle, because if you can find the candle, you can understand what's happening. Let me go to my screen so you guys can see it. Here you go. Let's go to the candle. So let's go there so you guys can see it. So yeah, I just click here and then search for the time. Why? Because we are trying to find what just happened here at this point right here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go here. We're gonna check the time. 8 July 2024, 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock European. So that means it's in the morning. So we are going down to find that hour. Okay, so let's go. We can just click right here, and also we can. Okay, 8. Let me check it. 8. Let me go 8. Let's check it. Almost there. Let's go check it out, and then we can talk about that, guys. But that's the thing, right? You guys need to understand that these guys have the power to do it, and so we cannot be frustrated with what they're doing. We cannot, spend time talking too much about what they're doing. What we can do is take advantage of the opportunities that they are giving us. And why they're giving us this opportunity, I don't know. But what I know is we can take opportunities like this to, for example, short the market, short-term short or long-term short, whatever you want to call it, long-term long, whatever it is. The main thing is you guys need to understand that this is how you can find these trades. That's how you can find these movement. This is how you can find the way these guys are behaving within the market. So their behavior will set a pattern. Their behavior will set the main way we understand what's happening within crypto. You guys need to know the main reason why the price goes down is because of a lot of entities and people are selling. Why? If they have been buying early, they are going to sell. And let's say the money is not their Bitcoin, is from a hack that happened, so they are selling it to take profit and stuff like that. So not only that, but also they are using this money to short the position. So for example, they have been shorting the heck out of Bitcoin since from here. So let's say Let's say they say, you know what we are going to do? We are going to take profit right here, and we are going to short the position with 100x leverage. Right? So now they are going to short their position with 100x leverage. They are going to sell the Bitcoin to create a capitulation. And what will happen with the price? The price will eventually go down. Okay, so they set up a short position right here, and they say, you know what? We are going to short 100x or 50x leverage, whatever they want, and the price, and we are going to sell $1.3 billion BL worth of Bitcoin. And now what happened with the price? Boom, the price goes down, and what just happened? They made money. They made 100x on their position, their short position. And the same thing they can do with a long position. So let's say if they want to pump the price, what will happen if they decide to pump the price? They will set up right here. They will set up a long position right in this area. Long position, long P, a long position. The price start moving up, right, at 50x. Let's make it 50x. Let's not make it too big. 50x. The price start going up, right, and hit 100k or whatever. So now they make on their long position, they make a profit. And the same thing repeat again, and there you go. So these people know really what they are doing with their money, and how I can prove it that they are doing this by just going through these transactions that you guys are seeing here. Transaction, and we already found the website. So this is one of the main website that they are also one of the website that they are using. At Cambridge Land, we provide the liquidity that institution investors seek to safely and efficiently capitalize on opportunities in crypto asset space. Okay, so lender in investing technology dedicated of expertise. So you see spot, right? So yeah, they know what they're doing. They know FX trading. They know what they're doing, guys. It's not like they don't know. They know product we trade. So they have different product that they trade also. So as you guys can see, Ethereum, Bitcoin, a lot of assets. So yeah, so understand this, guys. They don't care about you. Okay? They do not care about you. They care about their money. They care about the money that they are making in crypto. They just care about what they are doing. So these big entities, these big people doesn't care about you. They care about how much money they can make. If they are going to wreck the price of Bitcoin, they are going to wreck the price of Bitcoin, whatever you like it or not. And that's the reality. We cannot change that. But one thing that we can do by using Arkham Intelligence as one of the main thing that I am using, we can identify, we can anticipate what these guys are going to do by just having the bot open. So the link is in the description, and if you cannot find it that I made, you can just click here. You can create an account. It's totally for free. You don't have to pay for it. You just use the account. Create an account, use the account, and you can manage to come into this, go into this dashboard right here. And this dashboard will help you with everything you need. So what I did with this dashboard is I added the US government, I added the UK government, and I added also the El Salvador government. So if we, for example, want to check out US government, the US government, Let's check. The US government also have been selling, also have been buying. So it doesn't surprise me that they are selling or sending money to different wallet to do whatever they want to do with it. Okay, so as you guys can see, Ethereum here, Bitcoin, right? So they know what they are doing. They know how they are managing the money. But the thing is that maybe they don't know, but maybe they know. I don't know. What I know is I can find all these transactions online because it exists there. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the main thing that I want to share with you guys today. So you go ahead, check it. So now we finish up with this one. What we are going to do is we are going to end going into airdrops, because after doing this, you guys know already, you guys can follow up with what I'm doing right now, and you guys can see everything that I'm doing on Arkham Intelligence by just using this dashboard. Okay, hope you guys find this helpful. Let me go check on YouTube what these guys are doing on YouTube, if they're commenting or not. I don't know what's happening. So yes, we have people. The video audio is pretty glitchy. Yeah, I know. The thing is, I'm trying to fix it. So yeah, you guys have to go to Twitter, man. Guys, I think it was in the beginning, but I hope it's fixed right now. I don't know, man. Let me try. So yeah, yeah, I think it's glitchy. I think I have to change some stuff. But this is one of the main cases. So let's go into one of the airdrop that I'm going to share with you guys. In this case, the airdrop that I'm doing today is Sonic. Sonic is like say the rebranding of Phantom chain. So it's going to be a very easy task, a very simple task. You don't have to do much. Even my grandma can do it. So that means that we are going to start with the Odyssey task center that we have to do, and it's going to be very simple. The only thing we have to do, we have to check in every day. We have to transaction milestone. We have to you can refer, collect some ring, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of tricks how you guys can manage to take away the positions. Okay, so right now, for example, as you guys know, you guys need to download the wallet. You guys need to download the wallet. So there is a guide right here that will help you understand how this works. So the only thing you need to do is just go ahead and use it at your advantage. So first thing first is they're giving an explanation. You need to download the wallet. I'm using this wallet right here, as you guys can see it at this moment. I have some testnet already in it, but this is like, for example, one of the let me check. Open site manual. So this is the wallet that I'm using right now to do the transaction. I have a couple of Solana wallets, Solana tokens, testnet. I'm gonna click on the wallet, and I'm going to go to the website back again. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to faucets. Here on faucets, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put my wallet so I can send myself the faucets so I can use it for my transaction. So I'm going there, I'm clicking, waiting for the verification, and after waiting for the verification, what I'm going to do is I'm going to confirm this transaction so I can receive my tokens. I'm very tired, but I'm here making videos for you guys. Okay, waiting. It's not happening. What's not happening? Let me check. Let's put the wallet again. Here you go. Right, success. We're gonna click on confirm, and right away I receive the airdrop token. So this airdrop will help me. So next thing you're gonna do is, after you download the wallet, what you're gonna do is you're going to go to this right here. You are going to change your settings. The settings is very important, because your settings, you're gonna put it at the testnet settings. That's there, and then you're gonna go to this Meet Sonic. As you guys can know, you're gonna follow on Twitter, you're gonna follow on Discord, and you are going to go to check-in. You have to check in every day. If you don't want to check it every day, you don't deserve to have an airdrop. So yeah, in this case, what I can do is just go back in and check in every day. This is my second day. And also what you guys can do is you guys can come and play the lotto or whatever you want to call it. And what I can do, for example, I'm gonna, to manage to have more wallets, or I mean more tokens and more number draw, I just gonna click on draw, and from here I'm gonna confirm, and from confirm I'm gonna approve it once, because I have it do it 5 times, and I have to wait and then approve it once again, and then approve it again 5 times. So that counts for 5 transactions. So if you do this for example for 20 to 25 or 50 times on a day, you guys can manage to qualify for the transactions. Okay, so right now I'm doing this, I'm just waiting for a transaction to go through. After the transaction goes through, it's the 4th one. I'm gonna close a couple of stuff already. Let me check. I check 1 2 1 3. Let's go back to it. Just wait, approve again. Here you go. If I approve it 5 times, here 5 times, just waiting for the next ultimate one. Ultimate one, 5, the 5th. After doing this, the 5th, I'm done. Confirm transaction, and I can draw once again. After I draw once again, what I'm going to do is, for example, I can go back to a transaction milestone, and here I just need to wait. And as you guys can see, I will eventually go to that 4x transaction. So that will be 50. So what I have to do is I have to complete again. I'm going back to the draw, or I can do the faucet again, and from the faucet it counts for 1 transaction. Go to the faucet, back again, and then do the same thing over and over. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I can just click on confirm, and I can go forward with it. So this is a very simple airdrop, guys. Even my grandma can do this. So if my grandma can do it, you can do it also. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to here. We're gonna go to this page, ring lottery. We have a couple of transactions. Let me check. I have a couple of transactions already. Yes, I have a couple of transactions. I'm gonna complete my 5 transactions for today, so I can complete that amount of transactions, for example, for 30 or 50 transactions. So guys, you can do this every day. This type of airdrop have to be done every day, otherwise you're not going to be eligible for it. You cannot go in and do it once and then think it's okay to leave it like that. No. So at this moment, you guys are seeing I'm doing all my transactions. I'm waiting for it. I can also, for example, I can create another wallet. Let's go back. Create a new account. I can create a new account. Approve. Copy it. Go back to the main account. And I can send myself. Send. A couple of tokens. Send. Here you go. And here I'm gonna deposit 1 Solana. Testnet. Next, I send it. That also count for a transaction. If I go back, take Solana, pull the wallet, and I can do 1 transaction. And right away, that's my second transaction on this one. Continue. I'm gonna be here to continue this one also. So yeah, guys, this is very simple airdrop. This is not something that is gonna complicate and be worth something like that. So for example, if we go back, already finished setup, X is done. Let's go back. I don't know why it's counting like that, but okay. Okay, let's refresh it. And that's it, guys. This is very simple. It's not complicated. It's not really complicated. So yeah, this is the wallet right here. I'm gonna change the wallet. I'm gonna change the wallet because it's giving me something. I don't know why. Uh, Something is not working well. But yeah, guys, this is like the airdrop for today. It's a very easy airdrop. It's not complicated. It's not really complicated. Okay, I think we finished for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you guys in the next one, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your stuff. Um, Nice to see you guys around. Who's here? Crypto B3360. Welcome to the YouTube channel, to the Twitter. The game are easy and get transaction too. Max, very easy. Yes, I said very of course are easy. Transaction go too. Every day at least 5 minutes. Of course, God. Of course. I love it. That's what it's supposed to be doing. Finally, here you go. The finally got a live space for you. Yeah, I've been trying to do some stuff with Twitter, and it doesn't let me do it. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening, but yes, guys. Yes, there's a lot of stuff out there that can be done. There's a lot of projects out there that are doing very good, and we can go back. So now, for example, we are seeing that ZK Sync Ada and a lot of these projects are doing tremendously. We go to Ethereum because on Ethereum there is a lot of projects also that have been performing very well, and I know for sure that these projects are doing very good. Um, and of course, I have a couple of projects that I've been looking onto and waiting for them to retrace so I can get my hands into it. And yes, guys, there is a lot of project. Like for example, PP has been a very good project. Like see it there. It's ready to go, man. Let me check how much supply.